You want to tell the viewers what
Horizontal, dude.
You want to tell the viewers what you're doing?
I'm trying to dye my hair, and I probably just made the most expensive $7 mistake of my life. I'm going blonde with a box dye, and that's probably the stupidest thing I've ever decided to do in my whole life, especially since this is only the second time I've used a box dye.
By the way, sorry, Joey.
First time doing it by myself, so yeah, great idea, Sheridan. So smart. Way to be impatient and frugal. Impatient and frugal. It's gonna end me with like patchy looking blonde hair. It is 5:57 a.m. and we are headed to Washington for. But that doesn't matter. This is for the intro. We are headed to Washington to see, you guessed it, Mumford Sons. Woo! Applause. This is his first Mumford concert. Yay! We're so excited. We have a 6-hour drive ahead of us. It's gonna be a crazy day. It's gonna be a lot of waiting because we are getting the rail. If you know me, if you've watched me, you have seen me camp out for 15 hours on Broad Ripple overnight on St. Patty's Day weekend to get Mumford meet and greet tickets. You've seen me take my mother. You've seen me, actually I think those are the only times I've ever really documented Mumford stuff, but you know I talk about them all the time. If you watch me, you know I buy their stuff a lot. And we are going. This will be my, is it 4 or 5? Hold on. So I saw them in Indy, and then I saw them in the UK, and then I saw them intimately in Indy, and then I saw them in Indy. So technically this will be my 5th Mumford show. So wow, that's insane. And it's his new, he's so excited. Yay, I've converted another one. All right, well, we're gonna drive. Let's get the show on the road. All this stuff is packed for a fun weekend in Washington. We're going to see Lainey. I haven't seen Lainey since like, geez, it's been over a year. Probably close to 2 because she graduated a year before I did. So we're going to see Lainey and stay with her, and it's gonna be so much fun. We're so excited. Yay! Dude. So Tyler and I just stopped at Multnomah Falls in Oregon on the way to Mumford. And we were just hiking up. We decided to go up to this bridge. Insert photo here. So you know what the heck I'm talking about. But we just were casually strolling up to the bridge, and then as we're leaving, I got my photos, and when we were done, we got a couple selfies, whatever. We went to leave, and this guy, him and his like girlfriend had been kind of hanging out there and whatever. I don't know what they were. I could tell like he was like waiting for something, kind of, because remember when we walked by, he was like, oh, let them go or something. You remember? And they were like hanging out on the bridge. As we're leaving, he goes, hey, could you do us a favor? And I was like, oh yeah, let me take your photo, whatever. I figured that's what he was asking. He hands me his phone and whispers, he's like, will you take our photo? And then he whispers, can you record because I'm proposing? And I was like, and I had to stop myself because like, shit, I can't react. Like, what is happening right now? This dude had me record his freaking engagement little like pop the question video. I'm on Multnomah Falls, and I didn't get the fall in the background. I felt super terrible, but it was gorgeous, and she was so cute and happy. She was like, honey, and I'm just like, ah! But I had to like shut up because I'm recording the video and didn't want to have my like commentary and my breathing. Hopefully there's none of that in there, but like, what the heck? I've never ever had anything like that happen to me in my life. That was crazy. I was like, I can't screw this up. I hope I pressed record. Like, holy crap. So that happened. What a day.
Yeah.
Wow, that was insane. But like, who trusts a stranger to do their engagement video? Like, that was a lot, man. Thank goodness I know how to like run a phone, but I was like, okay, sure. Like, oh my gosh. So yeah, that happened. Anyway, road trip continued. Now I hardly even need coffee because my heart was racing so fast. Like, oh my gosh, that was crazy. Wow. Wow. In the Columbia River. Woo! It's so freaking pretty. Love it. Freaking living turtles. I know. Hey, I found it! Woo! Washington! Yay! That was so dumb. I literally stopped and She's like, there's the sign. Stonehenge? We're not in the UK. What are you talking about? I don't know. Somebody probably started building a house and then stopped. I don't know. Wow, that was fun. Entrance right freaking there. Yes! This is beautiful. Oh wait, that's the campground maybe. I don't know, man. I have no idea. But we are the second people parked in this parking lot and it's beautiful. I realize I've hardly vlogged this little trip here, and I'm behind on editing, but I feel like I'm actually in the Pacific Northwest now. It's rainy, there's a lot of trees, a lot of clouds and mountains, and I've got Dutch brothers, and I just feel very Pacific Northwestern right now, for sure. But we're having a good time. We're driving down through Seattle, on our way back.
We just went over Snoqualmie Pass.
Snoqualmie Pass. We might stop at another falls. Yes, I just wanted to say hello because I haven't really vlogged. The concert was wonderful, as per usual. I had so much fun hanging out with Lainey and Jake. It's been so long since I've seen them. She graduated from Purdue like 2 years ago, so I haven't seen her really since then.
We went shooting with them.
Yeah, we went shooting yesterday. I think you got some photo or video of that, so that'll be in there. It's heavier with that freaking thing in it. Not fair. We have like half. Dang it! We had a really good day.
We went to a light show on the Cooley Dam.
Yeah, that was really cool. It was massive. Really cool. But yeah, now we're just driving through the mountains and the forest, and I am a very content human being.
We're 45 miles from Seattle.
Yeah, so, meh, city, yay, I guess. We're just decided to go this way to get a different view, and I'm glad because this is gorgeous out here. But we're headed to the city for a brief amount of time, and then we have to drive through Portland, and then we'll be back. Something. It's been a minute since I watched it. Wow, it's so new.
they're cheap.
I want the black one.
Do you want to get one?
I want the black one.
Really?
I don't know. You can't just steal a wild bunny.
We don't have anything to put it in.
Look at how cute they are. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute.
I want a rabbit. You want a rabbit? I'll buy you a rabbit.
Where?
If you find a place to put it, I'll buy you a rabbit.
I've never had a rabbit.
I'll go to Coastal and I'll buy you a rabbit.
What do you even do with rabbits?
You can eat them.
Okay, we're done. But seriously, that little black guy is so cute. Aw, they're so sweet. He almost let you touch it, didn't it?
I was down to 5 gallons in the tank.
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
maybe.
Why?
Because we have our dinner in front of us, so, you know. Just thought I'd show how healthy we are, you know. So you're full now.
Yeah.
But $63 for diesel. Yikes. Welcome to not being in Oregon, where sales tax exists and the gas prices
And
are
Eastern
higher.
Washington was cheaper.
Yeah, just because we're on the West Coast. Also, I saw a seagull.
Really?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah, he was chilling in the parking lot. It was cute.
Yeah, I forgot you're a big fan of seagulls.
I like seagulls. Okay, bye.
We'll break for seagulls.
Yes.